Evaluate the indefinite integral. And so what we want to do is we want to let u be this part because that's part in parentheses and that part's 1 power higher than the top. So we'll let u be 3x squared minus 2x plus 2. So then this integral becomes the integral of 3x minus 1 over u to the fifth dx, right? That bottom part, u to the fifth. Okay, so now we can't have u and x mix. We gotta get it all u. So let's take the derivative. Du dx, you remember derivative comes down. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract 1 from the power, so it's just x to the first. This 1 power comes down. Minus 2, subtract 1 from the power. The x is gone, and that part's just 0. Okay, so then multiply both sides by dx, cancels out. So du is 6x minus 2 dx. Okay, so anyway, well, we have 3x minus 1 dx. Well, let's see what we need to do. We've got to multiply both sides by a half, right? Then a half du takes that boom, boom. What's half of 6? 3. What's half of 2? 1 dx. There we go. So 3x minus 1 dx, wherever you see it, you can replace it with a half du. So that means right here, this 3x minus 1 dx is a half du. So this integral becomes the integral of a half du over u to the fifth. Let's rewrite that. Let's put this half in the front. And let's make this u to the minus 5 du, because I use on the bottom. So there we go. So now we're ready to do the antiderivative. So let's do it. The antiderivative. That means the integral and the du, the operators operate on that thing. They do their antiderivative thing. So what's going to happen here? Well, we're going to add 1 to the power. So that's going to become u to the minus 4 and multiply by 1 over that in the front. Okay, so that'll become 1 over minus 8, and 2 times minus 4. U to the minus 4, and then I'll just put the minus in the front there. What is the u then? What was u all along? U was this. It was 3x squared, or even right here. U was 3x squared minus 2x plus 2. 3x squared minus 2x plus 2. That's u to the minus 4. So there's our answer. We did the antiderivative. Do we have the right answer? They did it as a decimal. That minus 1/8 in the front, they made it a decimal. Same thing. 3x squared minus 2x plus 4 to the minus 4. To the minus 4. And then they have the plus constant there for us. And so there we go.